And you keep your mobile phones on till 11 p.m. and 12 midnight. Till the last time you go on the bed, and still after getting on the bed you check. Are you expecting a call from the PM's office? That because I am a chartered accountant, I know much about 2G, 3G, coal scam, maybe a bit about Rafale deal. And so sometimes if a JPC is formed, Joint Parliamentary Committee, and the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi would call me, that being a chartered accountant, you know so much of these things, I want you to be on the JPC. Are you expecting a call? आपको वो जानते भी नहीं है. आप चेक करना, रात को 8-9 बजे के बाद जो मैसेजेस आते हैं उसमें कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वो सब कचरा ही है. इट्स ऑल गार्बेज. द बिगेस्ट गार्बेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज व्हाट्सएप. गार्बेज आते रहते हैं. Why are you putting your mind into it, ignoring your family? After 7 p.m. your family has absolute right on your time. Am I right or wrong? ये मत सोचना कि पैसे कमाते मैं फैमिली को लग्जरी देता हूं बस, that is my responsibility. No, time giving is the biggest responsibility. अभी हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में एक सर्वे हुआ. What is the greatest joy upon this earth? 110 countries surveyed, more than 1 lakh families across caste, creed, color, religion, nationality surveyed over a period of 8 years, and the principal question was, what according to you is the biggest joy upon this earth? You would be surprised that 67% of the respondents, they said that spending quality and quantity time with your near and dear ones whom you love and who love you is the greatest joy upon this earth. Include this joy of family time in your balance sheet, and it is a well maintained balance sheet. आप रात को 9 बजे 11 बजे घर पहुंचते हो. Exclude 8 holiday weekends of the month, that is 8 days apart from 30, that comes to 22. Another 4 days if you go back home after 9 p.m, fine, you had some work in emergency. Another 4 days you go after 8, it's fine, it was traffic, some work. Rest 16 to 18 days you should be by 6:30 or maximum 7 with your family. Then only then you can be labeled as you are a good manager of work and time. Otherwise रोज आपको रात 9, 9:30, 10 बज जाते हैं घर जाने में. तो let me tell you frankly on your face that you are a very very poor manager of time and money. बैलेंस रखते हैं. कुमार मंगलम बिरला का इंटरव्यू ऑफ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में पढ़ना, मेरे पास वो कटिंग है. कुमार मंगलम बिरला, द चेयरमैन ऑफ द आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप, ऑफ 5 lakh crore conglomerate from salt to software. Him and his wife were interviewed by the Times of India on some occasion, and they were asked, how do you manage your time between your office, work, travel time, meetings, social time? You live in the town in South Mumbai, so you must be having at least 5 invitations every day. They said yes. How are you managing it? Kumar Mangalam's wife, she said, now listen very carefully. She said, now I'm quoting her not just word to word but letter to letter. She said that there is a custom in the Birla house that everybody has to deposit their mobile phone with the mother at 8 p.m. Even Kumar Mangalam Birla has to. ये कक्षा के परिवार जीवन समझते हैं. ये कक्षा के बिजनेसमैन वो बैलेंस रखते हैं जीवन में. And the interviewer was shocked. Sir, then what do you do after 8 p.m? As if life does not exist without a mobile. This gadget is made to serve you, and we have become the slaves of it. Consciously or unconsciously, if our hand doesn't touch the mobile phone every 3rd minute in the pocket, we get discharged. And what do you do after that? The interviewer asked, and she said that at 8 p.m. everybody sits for dinner. It's a 45-minute dinner time. After 8:45 to 9:30, we just are there chatting, talking of the day's happenings or the history of the family or some planning of the coming occasion, event. Then at 9:30, the mother, that is Aditya Birla's widow, Kumar Mangalam's mother, she gives from her pouch the mobile phone back to every individual. Even Kumar Mangalam has to get it. And then it is given to us for only 10 minutes to check urgencies or emergencies. Then we have to place our mobile back on the table. Then we are into our hobbies. Somebody may read a book, or somebody may watch a TV program or something like that. Somebody may chat with a friend, whatever. तो ऐसे परिवारों में भी बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ है. If Warren Buffett can do it, if Kumar Mangalam Birla can do it, if you decide, can you give me a stronger one? You can, because you are chartered accountants. You know what is balance. Make up good balance sheet of your life.